Guys, welcome back to Retro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to install Docker on your Windows 10 and how to do this up, how to download it and install it. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is I'll be providing a link in the description where you can go to this pages over here, where you can go to this pages on the Docker, which is the official page, and also I'll be providing a link in the description which will take you to this Windows subsystem language where you have to download. Okay, so now just close this up. So this is what you have to do. So before downloading both the files, you have to make sure you have to go here in the taskbar and you have to right click and go to task manager. And now from here you have to select click on performance and you have to see that virtualization has to be enabled. Here it is disabled. So I'll be providing a link in the description where which it will teach you how to enable virtualization on the task manager. So once after enabling the virtualization over here in the task manager, you have to follow the next step is you just have to download the files from these two links. So I'll be providing link in the description for both here. So now you have to click on products over here to download and click on Docker desktop. And now from here, as you can see that you have to download for Windows. So here it is also available. So the file is around 523.77 MB. So just go for download. Okay. Now let me minimize this, and it is also available for Mac as well as Linux. You can also download this. And also in between we have to download this one also, which is called Windows Subsystem Language, which is also we have to download. So if you want to download, you just have to click on the link in the description and you have to follow the instruction where you have to go here in the step 4, download the Linux kernel update package, and you have to click on this one, WSL2 Linux kernel update package for 60x64 machines. You have to click on this and you have to download. So it is around 14.57 MB, which is very quite simple. So just go for start download and you just have to wait for both the downloads to get completed. Okay, you have to wait for both the downloads. As you can see that we are having 2 downloads, and once after that I'll be giving you the next instruction what you have to do. So the next instruction is you just have to install both the things. Okay, which is very simple. You don't have to worry, just like we usually used to do, right? The same way you have to install both the files. Same way you have to install the Docker desktop on your PC as well. You just have to click on the .exe file and you have to install it. And also the same for WSL. You just have to install WSL in the same way. And this is what when it comes to how to install Docker on your Windows 10. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Any doubts are most welcome so that I can get back to you. And this is Shahin. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.